What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. This is the 5th episode of the Daily News, and where we cover different topics that are stock related or crypto related, and I give you my opinion on it. So today we're drinking some iced coffee. So sit down with a coffee, drink water, doesn't matter, and let's jump right into this. Okay. So first news are crypto. So Binance shrinks non-KYC. So if you haven't uploaded your ID and said that that's your name and verified your address and stuff, they are limiting the withdrawal limits because of regulatory pressure. That's basically all you need to know. So they basically limited. Oh, you don't want no ads. Okay. So people with basic verification could withdraw up to 2 Bitcoin per day. The limit is now lowered to 0.06 for newly registered accounts. So that is a very small amount. But yeah, basically that's it. They're lowering the limits, and I think lots of regulators are basically just pressuring all these exchanges to verify people's identities. Next, we got higher prices could be here to stay if the Fed doesn't act soon. So again, more inflation-related news. That's kind of it. This is just, someone's opinion. Next, we got Rivian is ready to invest $5 billion in a second assembly plant. So I think this is actually pretty cool. Seems like they're expanding pretty fast. So that's great news. We definitely want competition in the electric vehicle space. We haven't really seen too much from traditional manufacturers. I think Hyundai, Kia are doing a decent job, but other than that, we haven't really seen anything great. But so I'm excited to see once Rivian starts shipping their trucks. Definitely interested in seeing some reviews of what people say about it. Next, we got celebrity cruise passenger tests positive for COVID-19 while out at sea. So this reminds me of exactly when the pandemic first started. This literally sounds like an article that you would read a year ago. So just interesting to see how this story develops and how many more people are going to be getting sick. Good news, AMD quarterly earnings recap. Basically, they beat all expectations. That's about it. AMD is doing a great job. They're expanding fast, even with the chip shortage and being impossible to get any video cards and stuff. But there we go. So they seem to be working great, and hopefully the chip shortages end, because I'm really trying to get a new video card. Then, could Goldman be the first to get a crypto-related ETF approved? Some more Bitcoin. Oh, I have to subscribe to read more. Well, I guess you'll never know, huh? But that's been the ETF. Bitcoin ETF has been in the talks since 2017. So something that will literally be taking forever. You got Walmart's latest business, selling its e-commerce tech to other retailers. But before I knew before you could what you could basically do is if you had like an online store, you could actually sell your products on Walmart's website. So you could basically drop ship stuff, and Facebook's doing the same thing. You can now drop ship stuff, so everything's turning into a drop shipping website. But hey, if it brings Walmart money, I guess that's good for whoever owns Walmart stock. Yep, that seems like that's about it. Oh, they partner with Adobe. Interesting. Okay. Next, you got U.S. Treasury bonds yield climb ahead of federal policy decision. That's again more inflation-related news here. And you got Apple profit nearly doubles as iPhone sales boom, but company projects growth slowdown. Of course, everyone was spending their stimmy checks on iPhones. And we got, yeah, basically there's a great video. I forget who uploaded it, but I'm probably gonna put a card right there, right there somewhere, of a guy who talks about how this year all the companies are gonna be doing great, but if you're gonna start comparing them in year over year, some are gonna look bad just because they were good COVID plays, but now everyone's kind of stuck. Everyone spent their money. Now we got Walmart, country's largest private employer, will pay 100% of college tuition for employees. That's some good news. And we're gonna start seeing some bad news in the next tab. But this is pretty nice. So I guess if you work for Walmart, you have a chance of getting your student debt paid off, which is pretty great. Approximately 1.5 million Walmart and Sam's Club employees can earn college degrees. Okay. So I guess if you work for Walmart, look into this. See if you could apply for that. Oh, this is the other student loan. Student loan repayment. There's 30 million that will be getting a bill soon within the next 2 months to pay more of their student debt. Yay! Isn't that fun? Don't you just love that? Yeah, so basically you know how they froze student debt for like a year? Yeah, well, the year's been up. That's about it. We gotta pay that now. Then the Fed issued digital dollar could print money for the people, though. You see, it says here, yeah. Yeah, basically, it's easier to print money if it's digital, right? So that's basically what they're gonna be doing. Once again, more inflation related as well. Look at that. Isn't that a good money printing face right here? Yeah. Anyway, one extra thing we are going to look into that we always look at, which is how is the SPY doing? And right here you see we are still in that trading range. So, getting closer every single day to tightening this triangle. Yep. That's about it. So that's kind of been it for today's news. Kind of slow, but you know, a lot of earnings were happening this week, so that's kind of mainly what's taking up the news. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure to subscribe. I am going to be uploading a couple more analysis videos. One is Tesla related, one is Palantir related, so those are going to be pretty good. Going to be diving into some deeper numbers and stuff. So if you guys like this, please subscribe, like this video, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.